Hey guys, welcome back. How are y'all doing today? Well, this is going to be hopefully a quick video. Today we're going to be making calamine soap. I've got my mixture of my oxides already mixed up, and I'm very lightly scenting this one. I'm not going to do a whole lot of fragrance in this. I can't make any claims as to what this soap will do other than cleanse. It will clean you. However, we are putting the calamine in. Let's get the lye water solution poured into the oils and we'll get started. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put the powder in here now. We're blending everything up. We're not separating anything out. So I'm going to go ahead and just add it in here. I am going to run it through my strainer first. So we all know the season is upon us for everybody's doing gardening and get out in the garden, start doing yard work. You get bug bites, you get poison ivy and oak and sumac, you get, you know, all kinds of yucky things going on during this time. So I figured I would do a calamine soap so that you guys would be able to see it. Lots of people make calamine soap. And I've personally never made it, and this month I was like, you know what, I'm doing this. I picked a really, really nice fragrance to go along with this. I'm super excited to make this one. This is going to be part of our farmers market collection coming in August. All right, let's get this blended up. Let's get Big Bertha over here. We're just going to pour it in, and that's going to be it for our video. Sorry, this one's kind of boring, but I felt it was extremely important to do this one this month. Like, I know people are out doing their gardening and such, and I know calamine is really, really good for, like I said, poison ivy and bug bites and things like that. Again, I'm not claiming my soap will do anything other than clean you. Merely stating what calamine is good for. The lotion that people put on. Love this color too. And this color is naturally created by, it's got the zinc and the ferric oxide, and that is what creates the ever recognizable color of calamine. And it is calamine, but my southern self says calamine. So y'all, please forgive me. My southern is showing. Oy. All right, so we have our bucket scraped out. So let me get this banged down on the counter. Get this evened out. And I think I should do a pattern on top. This is really, it's actually still too liquidy to make a pattern, but we'll give it a little bit of texture. Maybe it'll hold up. All right, kiddos. Here's our Calamine soap. All right, I'll see you guys back for the cut. This is the cutting of the Calamine soap. I love this color, and it's so very lightly scented. It smells amazing. Calamine it's actually a mixture of zinc oxide and ferric oxide or iron oxide, being probably about a ratio of 99.5% to 0.5%. And that's what gives it, the iron oxide actually is what gives it the pinkish color. Mine is a little bit lighter because I chose to use a little less, but the zinc oxide that's in this for the colorant, or that's in Calamine, is actually used in sunscreen. It's used in, you know, the white paste that you put on, you know, like baby butt paste and all those things. So zinc oxide actually has a lot of uses and is useful in a lot of products. Just wanted to give you guys a little, you know, rundown. I was kind of in a rush yesterday to just get the soap made, so I didn't really have time to talk a whole lot about it. So I figured I would just kind of let you guys in on that today with the cutting. All right, let's get to cutting. Make sure we have it all lined up. That was a beast. Okay, so I don't know that I'm going to bore you guys with rambling on about absolutely nothing. Not today anyway. This soap, like I said, there's no swirls, no intricate design, nothing of the nature. It's just straight Calamine soap that is lightly scented. Very, very pleasant fragrance that I used in this. So it's not necessarily, it's not feminine, it's not masculine. I don't know, I don't even want to say unisex. It's just it's like a fresh scent, but it's not like, I don't know, it's not like Irish Spring fresh, but it's not powdery or fruity or anything like that either. But I absolutely love the color of this. This turned out really good. And it's a pale pink. Like I said, I used more of the zinc than I did the iron oxide. And you can get it pre-mixed too. You can always buy the Calamine powder pre-mixed, or you can mix it yourself. Make sure you get your ingredients from a reputable source, please. Be very wary about buying things on Amazon as far as soaping ingredients. I'm not going to say that there's not, you know, a lot of good ones out there, you know, before y'all come for me, because there are a lot of, you know, handmade sellers on Amazon, and a lot of companies actually sell their products on Amazon too, so reputable companies. So just make sure you're researching where your ingredients come from, so that you can, you know, if you're making for the general public and even for yourself and family, you want to offer, you know, or use the best possible ingredients. You don't want to just throw something together and throw it out there and not know whether it's going to hurt you or, you know, someone else. I'm not sure I'm okay with being a guinea pig, if you know what I mean. So just be careful about buying products like that, and make sure you go to a reputable source and research the company that you get your ingredients from. But yeah, you can totally mix your own, or you can buy it pre-mixed. But since I already had a ton of zinc oxide here for other products in the works, I decided I would just go ahead and mix up my own. That way I could control the proportions that I wanted the powders to be in. This is so pretty. I think this is going to look good at market too, because you know, it's just plain. Some people like the more plain soaps. I, for one, actually do, believe it or not. With all the pretty colors and swirls and things like that that I do, I actually prefer the more simple bars of soap. I mean, after all, it is getting washed down the drain because we use our soap. You know, I've had a lot of people say, oh, it's too pretty to use. You know, I mean, I get it. I've probably said something like that before, but we make it for use, not just to sit on a shelf somewhere. And I can understand you not wanting to, you know, just wash all those ingredients right down the drain when you could just have a simple, uncolored, unscented bar of soap and it clean exactly the same. It's just, you know, maybe not be as aesthetically pleasing, but then again, like I said, who cares? It's to clean you. All right, well, I am going to let you guys go. I have to get the other soap cut for today. And I will see you back for that. Bye, guys.